Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. A lot of you are asking about asymmetrical laugh line. That means you might be having laugh line on one side more and the other side you don't have at all. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. I have this intraoral massage that you can do for that. If you are one of those side sleepers and if you do generally tend to sleep on one side, you will notice that you will be having laugh line more on that side. So what you can do is start sleeping on your back side or try switching sides, or you can invest in the pillows which do have this cutout in the center, so that your face doesn't get squished and it does not give you that laugh line. The second tip is that observe from which side do you chew most of the time. If you are someone who always chews like on this side the facial muscles are going to be stronger, whereas this one will become weaker and it will start drooping and it will cause laugh line. So whenever you're eating, try switching between both sides or divide your food equally in both sides of your mouth and then chew equally. Now let's start with the exercise. So what you have to do is you have to make O and then bring in your lips beneath your teeth and then try to hold in laughing and smiling position. So let's start. O. You can repeat this 5 to 10 times. And the next tip that I would give you is that start incorporating collagen boosting serum to wash your face. So Blue Nectar has a solution for that also. This is their honey based cleanser, which is having 15% real honey, and it's really gentle yet very effective. It has so many beautiful herbs which will help in soothing and calming your skin, meantime cleansing it properly. After you have washed your face, take this Bakuchi serum, little bit, few drops, 3 to 4 drops, and then apply onto your face. So it does spread very easily, gets absorbed into your skin quickly, and does not even leave any stickiness. It's really lightweight. So this serum will help in boosting the collagen production, which will eventually lead to less of wrinkles, less of fine lines, basically more plumper, youthful looking skin. The key ingredients in Bakuchi serum are Bakuchi oil. With that, it also has manjista, which has antioxidant properties. It also has hyaluronic acid, which will help in moisturizing and hydrating your skin naturally for a youthful and brighter appearance. So you can apply this coupon code on their website to get discount, and the links will be in the description box. For doing the intraoral massage, you have to wash your hands. A lot of people use gloves. I don't, because the glove, the latex and everything in it, even the latex free ones, do irritate my skin here. I do have sensitive, so I use my own hands and it's totally okay. So what you have to do is, let's take your, first you have to stick your thumb inside the laugh line part here. Like let's suppose you're having laugh line here, so you're gonna place it inside. So you'll be doing like this kind of massage where you are massaging the tissue inside of your mouth like this. Similarly on the other side. So now we're going to take our fingers even more deeper and we want to massage the cheek area. So Now what you can do is, especially this part of our face where you which have like TMJ, or if you're having any issues around the masseter muscle, so what you'll do is try taking your thumb and hitting this muscle here, the chewing muscle, and then massage it. So this intraoral massage you can do once or twice a week. Don't repeat it more than that, and don't repeat the inside of it. Like, don't try to hurt yourself internally. If you have like long nails, please trim them off and make sure that you're not causing any injuries inside with your thumbnail or so. Do let me know what you think about this video. If you have any other concerns, do comment below. I'll be making the video for that. Do make sure to check the links of these products in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.